So the other part of Sentinel and CM tooling is to do your own manual threat hunting. So Sentinel will raise incidents automatically for you based on what it evaluates from the data that you're collecting, but also it's common for a SOC or a security engineer to do manual threat hunting as well. And this can be done again using either pre-built hunting queries that are out of the box with Sentinel, or you can author your own using, again, custom query language. And this will allow you to do searches across your log data to look for specific anomalies, or if you've got suspicions around specific identities or IP addresses or devices, then you can create custom queries to delve a bit deeper and see if there's any correlation or any risk in those specific identities. So when an incident's been raised by Sentinel, this is really the time to investigate further and start drilling down into what makes up that incident and to assess the severity of that. So it's very easy in Sentinel to open up the incident and then drill down deeper to investigate exactly what components and resources are involved in that incident. Now you can do that in a number of different ways. If you've got suspicions or queries on certain bits of data, you can now bookmark that within Sentinel, which will allow you to come back to that to a later date and then dig into that specific resource and see what associations it has across the wider environment. And this will allow you to basically investigate an incident across all of the data feeds that you have coming into Sentinel. So what might be a suspicious user, you can dig down into that. You can see what IP addresses they've been accessing, which devices they've been using, which devices they've logged into, geographic locations. So all of that data can just be drilled down from the Sentinel portal. So very powerful way to investigate these incidents that have been raised and allow you to delve deeper and find out exactly what's involved in that, to give you basically the ability to say whether that needs further investigation or you're happy that that incident that's been raised is explainable. So another way, so rather than just doing threat hunting directly from the portal, there's full integration as well with Jupyter Notebooks, which is embedded into the Sentinel portal, but that allows you again to build out queries against the Sentinel data and bring in external data sources. And this also opens up the choice of using different languages as well. So it's not just KQL in this situation. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. So as it says there, Python, R, SQL. So you've got a lot more scope for using languages you may be more familiar with.